Orthodontic treatments have been started in different places for most of the people, but due to COVID issues and things like that, people are not able to travel much, especially those people who are working in IT departments and things like that, or in all these people who have been working in different places have come and they are working from home. So now work from home has become a reality, and but they are shifted from their own workplaces to their hometowns. Now during their time in their workplaces, they would have gone to a good orthodontist there in their own workplaces, but they are now confined to their homes and they are not able to travel to their workplaces. So now what happens is most of these orthodontic patients who are getting treated have moved on to a new place. Now, what to do in such cases? Can we delay the orthodontic appointment? Can we? What has to be done during this lockdown, or if your place have become a containment zone for COVID? What can we do? How can we delay your appointments if something breaks, like your bracket is off, or if your elastics are off? What to do? This is what we are going to discuss. Please watch it till the end so that you can understand much more about orthodontics and lockdowns and COVID and things like that, how we can efficiently do orthodontic treatment even during this hard times of COVID and lockdowns and curbs on travel and things like that. So this is what we are going to talk. So please continue watching. So today, so what's happening now? People have been shifted. People have moved from their workplaces. Some people have moved from their home places where they used to do orthodontic treatment. The distance of travel is an issue now because most of the places are locked down. Sometimes the clinic area is locked down. Sometimes the patients are place where they are staying is like under lockdown, or sometimes containment zone, or some of your family members have contracted with this virus of COVID and you are not able to move out, or yourself is under COVID treatment. So what to do with your orthodontic appliance, how we can efficiently continue the orthodontic treatment and efficiently finish the orthodontic treatment in time is what exactly is, we are going to discuss. So now, if at all, first thing what you have to do is be careful about your orthodontic appliance. If you are don't eat your crackers because you are mostly at home, you are in a very conducive environment to have some crackers, watch your TV, have some popcorn, watch some movies and things like that. Please avoid all those things, because if your bracket breaks and if you cannot go to the dentist, then that will delay your orthodontic treatment or even cause the orthodontic movement of teeth, which is not favorable for your teeth. So please make sure that you be careful about your teeth and your brackets. Please brush properly and keep it very clean and things like that, so that you will not have other problems with your teeth. So please do all those what is actually required. But along with that, you should have a communication with your doctor. See, even if you cannot travel to the doctor and speak or consult the doctor, please make sure that you have his phone number or his clinic's number. Please give a call to the clinic, understand what can be done during that time, because if your consultation is over, if your doctor is, the day of consultation is changed, or doctor himself has got COVID or something is happening, please make sure that you call the doctor, call the clinic, understand what can be done in that situation. That's most important. Most of the people take it for granted. Oh, it's in that place, so it may not be working. No, it may not be. You see, especially dental clinics are an essential part of the health care. So it's under the hospital section. So we are allowed to work even during some of these COVID times. Maybe there is restrictions on the treatment time and things like that. There are restrictions and there are mandatory things that has to be protocols that has to be followed, but we are still working. So please don't take it for granted that it may be closed. Please call up and understand what's the timing of work and things like that. If you are not in a position to travel and reach the place during your scheduled appointment, please give a call and tell that this is what is happening. When reschedule the appointment, talk to the doctor if you have some problems, if it is poking if your wire is poking your cheek, or if your brackets have broken down, please make sure that you call the doctor, speak to him and get it done. Or even if you have some queries, you can even put it as a query on this channel, or you can even contact me on WhatsApp. But most of the time your doctor will love, your own doctor would love to speak to you and understand your problem and give you a solution by himself. See, if it's like a small bracket which is dislodged, it may not be required to replace it then and there itself, so you don't have to travel to the doctor. So please make a point to call the doctor, tell him that this is broken, what can we do about it, or take a picture, shoot it and send it on his WhatsApp, say that this bracket has gone off, is it required to travel and come and meet him and get it repaired as soon as possible. Sometimes it may not be required, so please make sure that the communication is kept on even during this COVID and all these lockdowns or restrictions of travel and movement. So that's very important. Now, the other point of it is to make sure that you take pictures, take if at all, if there is a wrong movement, if there is a, even if your wire is poking, sometimes we can avoid the appointment and tell you can use a chewing gum and just wash it off with all the sugars and you can just stick it on. All these ideas will come with the, if you can call up the doctor and just ask him. So they'll give you some home remedies to avoid all this pain and difficulties during this time. So let us make sure that the communication is on. Online consultations are there already opened up with most of the doctors. We can actually, if you have not started with your orthodontist, you can actually move on to aligners and we can actually reduce the number of appointments. So all these things are possibilities which are there. Please make sure that all your digital knowledge and your digital know-how helps you in doing orthodontics much more efficiently. Please make sure that you contact your doctor, have a good relationship with him. Don't or even if you are in a different place, like if you are in Bangalore, you have started the treatment in Bangalore and you are shifted now to Kerala or vice versa, or moved on to a new place, please ask your orthodontist to give his friends references in that place so that he can give you the same people, or he can talk to the doctor and tell this is what has been planned, this is his plan and this is what has been done, and that also can be done. So all these are possibilities. So keep talking to your doctor, keep sending messages to the doctor, keep a relationship with the doctor so that he can guide you in the right way to complete your orthodontic treatment in time and what is expected. Thank you very much for calling. Thank you for watching. Please make sure that you subscribe all my videos and channels and like it and share it to all your friends so that they also will have good teeth, good smile, and they'll also have a good dental health. Thank you very much. I am Dr. Thomas Nechipadam from Nechipadam Dental at Marine Drive, Cochin. Thank you.
Wikidontist.com. Truth about tooth.